This car that I'm gonna show to you is not a Tesla car, but it's an old car. The owner converted into an electric car. So let's take a little look at this car, see what it has. Now let's hear from this brilliant owner about his car. So, what is it? What kind of car is this one?
We have a full electric. Those are lithium-ion batteries. We have 32 batteries. And on the back, there's the electric motor back there.
Oh,
That's
darn! I didn't see that.
The electric motor all the way down there. It has an adapter plate. It has a manual transmission with the clutch, everything. This is a charger for the batteries, and that on the corner is a motor controller. It controls the voltage for the motor. And on the front we have more batteries. And this thing here is like the alternator on a regular car. It keeps the 12 volts for the lights, for everything else.
So does it comes really with all this thing?
No,
or
no.
You just put it in there?
You can buy a kit.
Yeah.
We have EV conversion kits that you can buy, and the batteries are you can need to buy them from separate places sometimes, but the motor controllers they can get it from a kit. Yeah, I got it from EV West.
Yeah. So originally these are like just normal with the engine and stuff.
Oh yeah, the engine is on the back. It's a gasoline engine.
That is so crazy. And it runs really like...
Oh yeah, it takes off very nice, very powerful.
Yeah.
Yes, it's... Is it a auto? No, it's a manual transmission. Yeah, it has an adapter plate, and after the adapter plate, it has the bell housing where it has the clutch, the manual transmission, and these cars they have their rear wheel drive. Then I didn't have to modify the axles, nothing. I just put the motor and everything else. Pretty much put as many batteries I can on the front.
How many batteries do you have?
32.
From
I
here
could put more, but I didn't want to cut the car, you know. 50 miles per charge. And if I put Tesla batteries, I'm sure I can go 4 times. Tesla batteries. It's getting cheaper, you know, because they keep pricing those things. And eventually I'll be able to buy. But this set of batteries is already as it is $7,000.
Wow.
It's the same thing. You know the gasoline car has a flywheel. Yeah. This one doesn't have flywheel, but the back of the motor is connected to the clutch. Like I kept the flywheel.